Welcome to Inspire Sphere, making the world understandable. Let's get it crackin'. Welcome back to Inspire Sphere, brought to you by WeGrow. Today we've got a riveting topic that's going to change the way you perceive the world: the BRICS nations and their game-changing global advantages. Get ready to dive into the incredible world of macroeconomics. So, you might be wondering, what makes the BRICS nations so interesting? Well, it's all about their incredible commodities and trade potential, which makes up about 26.3% of the global GDP, and that is soon to jump to around 29.3% with its new members joining. Each of these nations has something extraordinary to offer. Brazil, known for its vast agricultural prowess, think coffee, soybeans, and more. Russia, the land of abundant natural resources, oil, natural gas, and minerals. India, the technology hub of the world, software, pharmaceuticals, and skilled labor. China, the world's manufacturing giant, electronics, textiles, and industrial goods. And South Africa is known for being extremely rich in rare earth and precious metals, used in tech and EV batteries. These commodities are the lifeblood of international trade, and the BRICS nations have become global trade powerhouses. Their commodities fuel industries around the world and keep the global economy running smoothly. Now, let's talk about the advantages they bring to the table and how this affects the United States. The U.S. has traditionally been a major player in international trade, but with BRICS nations on the rise, it's shaking up the trade game. As these nations grow and expand their trading networks, the U.S. must adapt and find new opportunities to maintain its competitive economic edge. What does this mean for everyday U.S. citizens? First and foremost, it could mean change to the affordability of goods and access to a variety of products due to competitive markets. Plus, it's not just about trade. These interactions lead to cultural exchange and a broader worldview. You might be sipping coffee from Brazil or enjoying the latest tech gadget from India. So, in a nutshell, the rise of the BRICS nations is directly challenging global trade dynamics, creating waves between Western countries fighting over cheap goods. Our takeaway? Stay informed and seize the opportunities that arise. Embrace new investment opportunities and the enriching experiences they offer. Remember, the world is evolving, and it's up to us to make the most of it. Thank you for joining us on today's journey on the BRICS nations. We have to remember that global events affect everyone, so keeping up on world changes is important in knowing what moves to make in order to stay ahead of the global economic game. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It helps with the algorithm. Until next time, remember to stay positive.
We grew.